the relationship between two-port network parameters. Already we completed Z parameters in terms of remaining three parameters, Y parameters in terms of remaining three parameters, and H parameters remaining three parameters, and finally ABCD are T parameters in terms of remaining three parameters. Now today we are going to discuss about ABCD parameters in terms of Z, Y and H parameters. Procedure is ABCD are T parameters in terms of Z, Y and H parameters. ABCD are T parameters in terms of H parameters. The first case is ABCD in terms of Z parameters. Okay, the procedure is, first of all, write down the ABCD parameters, basic equations. In ABCD parameter, basic equation is V1 I1. V1 is equal to A into V2 minus B into I2. I1 is equal to C into V2 minus D into I2. So these two are basic equations in T parameters. Okay, now we are going to convert or express in terms of Z. Similarly, I have to write down basic equations in Z parameters. Here in Z parameters, V1, V2. So V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. Similarly, Z21 I1 plus Z22 I2. So total 4 basic equations. Okay, here the procedure is, already we know the procedure, same as previous. Express Z parameter basic equations in the form of ABCD or T parameters. V1 is a function of V2 and I2. Similarly, I1 is a function of C2 and V2 and I2. Okay, already basic equation, observe here, V1 is equal to Z11 I1 plus Z12 I2. V1 is there. V1 is a function of I2. Here it is I1, right? So you have to replace I1 in the form of V2. Okay. From 4, we have to find I1, right? So that is from 4, Z21 I1 is equal to V2 minus Z22 I2. So Z21 I1 is equal to V2 as it is. Take this one, this dot side. From that, I1 is equal to 1 by Z21 V2 minus Z22 by Z21 I2. Right. Okay. One parameter over here, one variable I1 depends upon V2 and also depends upon I2. So this is the equation 5. Now from 3, V1 is equal to Z11 I1, substitute I1 here, 1 by Z21 V2 minus Z22 by Z21 I2 plus Z12 I2. Simplify this one. V1 is equal to Z11 by Z21 V2 minus Z11 Z22 by Z21 I2 plus Z12 I2. Further simplify. V1 is equal to Z11 by Z21 V2. Let's take common here. So Z21. So Z11 Z21 I2. Take bracket here, plus and plus minus plus, right, minus Z12 Z21 into I2. Again simplify. Z11 by Z21 V2 minus Z11 Z21 minus Z12 here, what is this one? Z12 Z21 Z12 Z21 into I2 by Z21. So V1 is a function of V2 and I2. So now this is the 6. Another parameter also. Wow. Now here compare. Here V1 is equal to 1 is equal to 6. So from that A is equal to Z11 by Z21. Similarly B is equal to, actually this is minus I2, here you can check minus I2, so that AD minus BC. Z11 Z22, so this is Z22, Z11 Z22, okay, Z11 Z22 minus Z12 Z21 by Z2, or B is equal to determinant of Z matrix by Z21. Okay. Now compare it with second with 5. So 2 is equal to 5. From that, this is second expression, this is fifth. I1 is depend upon V2 and I2. Here also I1 depends upon V2 and I2. So C is equal to 1 by Z21 and D is equal to, here also take minus I2. So D is equal to Z22 by Z21. Okay, like that we can convert ABCD parameters in terms of Z parameters. Okay, express T parameters in terms of Z. With the procedure, first of all write down the basic equations in T, basic equations in Z. Now convert basic equations in Z in the form of T, right? That means express V1, V2 now depends upon V1 and I1, right? Now we are going to second ABCD parameters in terms of Y. Now second case, ABCD parameters in terms of Y parameters. Here the procedure already we know that. First of all write down the basic equations in ABCD. V1, I1 depends upon V2 and I2. Similarly Y parameters basic equation, admittance parameters. Here I1, I2 dependent parameters. Now the procedure is express Y parameter basic equations in the form of T. Observe here, already here I1, here also I1. I1 depends upon here V2, here also I1 depends upon V2. Here only thing is, here it is a V1, so replace V1. By using 4, find out V1. From 4, Y21 V1 is equal to, so we can take this side, minus Y22 V2 plus I2. From 4, Y21 V1 is equal to, take this one into other side, minus Y22 V2 plus I2. From that V1 is equal to minus Y22 by Y21 V2 plus 1 by Y21 I2. So this is one parameter 5, equation 5. Now from 3, I1 is equal to Y11 V1, replace V1 here, minus Y22 by Y21 V2 plus 1 by Y21 I2 plus Y12 V2. Simplify this one. I1 is equal to minus Y11 Y22 by Y21 V2 plus 1 by Y21 I2 plus Y12 V2. Simplify further. Here take common V2, here also V2 here. Now I1 is equal to AD minus BC, right? Minus Y11 Y22 plus Y12 Y21 by Y21 into V2 plus 1 by Y21 I2. So I1 is a function of V2 and I2. So this is equation 6. Now compare here. The comparison between equation 1, that is V1, with 5. So 1 is equal to 5. V1 is a function of V2 and I2. Here also V1 is a function of V2 and I2. Now here V1, A is equal to minus y22 by y21. Now here b is equal to, here it is a form of b, compare 1 is equal to 5, this is 1, this is 5, so a is equal to minus y22 by y21, and b is equal to, this is minus I2, you can take minus 1 by y21. Similarly, compare equation 6 with 2. 2 is equal to 6. Okay, one small correction here. Take y11, here the product is y11, here also y11. Okay, now compare 6 is equal to 2. From that c is equal to y12 y21 minus y11 y22 by y21, and d is equal to, okay, minus I2, that's why minus y11 by y2. So total 4 parameters we expressed in terms of y parameters. Okay, here the procedure is, first of all write down the t basic, then y basic equation in terms of or in the form of t. Okay, t depends upon v1 and i1. Here v1 is a function of v2 and i2. This is compared with 1. So a is equal to minus y22 by y21. Now here b, this is minus b. Okay, here it is a plus. That's why b is equal to minus 1 by y21. So similarly c and d. So this is second one. And third one, final one is ABCD parameters in terms of h. Now third one is ABCD parameters in terms of h parameters. Okay, same as previous case, write down the basic equations in t and h. Observe here v1 is function of v2 and i2. Here also v1 is function of v2 and here i1. So replace i1. So from 4 h21 i1 is equal to minus h22 v2 plus i2. From that i1 is equal to minus h22 by h21 v2 plus 1 by h21 i2. So this is 5. Now from 4 you can find out i1. I1 is a function of v2 and i2. Okay, this is 5. Now from 3 v1 is equal to h11 i1, substitute here, minus h22 by h21 v2 plus 1 by h21 i2. I1 as it is here, h11 I1 is equal to h22 by h21 minus h22 by h21 v2 plus 1 by h21 i2 plus h12 v2. Simplify here, v1 is equal to minus h11 h22 by h21 plus h11 by h21 i2, here it is v2 plus H12 V2. Simplify here. Now V1 is equal to, take common here, this V2 and H21 minus H11 H22 V2 plus H12 H21 V2 by H21 plus H11 H21 I2. Further simplify. Here V1 is equal to H12 H21 minus H11 H22 V2 divided by H21 plus H11 by H21 I2. Now V1 is function of V2 and I2. This is 6. And now compare here. First 1 equal to 6. So V1 is a function of V2 and I2. So from that A is equal to H12 H21 minus H11 H22 by H2. Similarly B is equal to, it is minus B or minus at actually this one. So that's why minus H11 by H2. Similarly, compare second is equal to 5. From that C is equal to minus H22 by H21 and D is equal to, should be minus D, minus 1 by H2. So like that we can convert ABCD parameters in the form of or expressed in terms of H parameters. Okay. Here final conclusion is we are converting or expressing T or ABCD parameters or T matrix. This is T matrix in terms of remaining 3 matrix. This is Z matrix. So A is equal to Z11 by Z21. Similarly, suppose D is equal to Z22 by Z21. It is in Z. Now coming to the in terms of Y, A is equal to minus Y22 by Y21. B is equal to minus 1 by Y21. C is equal to, C is equal to Y12 Y21 minus Y11 Y22 by Y21. Or some we express in terms of Z. This can be what is determinant of Y matrix by Y21. Determinant of Y matrix by Y21. Or otherwise Y12 into Y21 minus Y11 into Y22 by Y21. Similarly here A is equal to H12 H21 minus H11 H22 by H21. This can be R, we can express minus determinant of H by H21 minus determinant of H by H21 or otherwise as it is. Then coming to B is equal to minus H11 by H21. C is equal to minus H22 by H21. D is equal to minus 1 by H21. Where here delta Y and delta H is determinant of, here delta Y is equal to determinant of Y matrix. Similarly, delta H is equal to determinant of H matrix. So like this we can easily convert any parameters in terms of remaining 3 parameters. With this lecture we completed interrelationship between all parameters. Okay, here once again here the procedure is, how to remember the procedure is, first of all write down the, here in this case ABCD in terms of remaining 3. First of all write down the T matrix. Then suppose we are going to convert into Z, write down the Z. Observe here, in T V1 I1 are the dependent parameters. Here in Z V1 V2 are the dependent parameters. Now here express Z dependent parameters in form of T. Okay, already here V1, here also V1 is there, here I2. So observe here V1 depends upon V2 and I2. Here V1 depends upon I2 and V1. So replace I1. So from 4 find out I1. I1 is equal to, depends upon V2 and I2. Okay, like that you have to convert any given parameters in the form of remaining 3 parameters. Thank you.